To another video. Today we got something new. Since I got a new computer, I actually won a Chromebook the other day, and so I decided that I could just get a better recording system so I can actually just record videos instead of like shaking around. So first of all, we're gonna do a Muthead pack opening. So Muthead, if you don't know what it is, it's the Madden Ultimate Team database. It's a really nice website if you like Madden. So let's see. We got an elite, another elite, another elite, another elite, another elite. 6 elites, that's nice. Nate Ness, Jonathan Joseph, Tony Romo, Peter Blair, nice 97 overall. Isaac Bruce, this may be a really good one. Holy. This may be my best ever. Holy cow. Oh my. That was nice. Let's see how much points that. I'm going to save that. Holy crap. Over 100,000. Yeah, that was me. That was not long. That was my best score. That was nice. That was a good one. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Come on, open up the new pack. Expect my content to get a lot more frequent from now on. Because right now, it's not really been freaking. It's not really been consistent. So, Todd Gurley, Derek Brooks, and oh, wow, that was not that bad, but it's still not gonna be that good. So let's go to the insanity. We got an elite. It's a little bit slow right now, looks like, but that's just we're just sorry, I'm a bit sick right now, but yeah, as I was saying, expect my content to get better and more frequent from now on. Because this may not be my best video, because this is just explaining an update. And this is just kind of just to put some gameplay in the background, so you don't get bored at looking at me. So I'm just happy that I'm on this, and we just I'm gonna start recording more, as I said, and I hope you guys tune in for more after this. I hope everyone can enjoy my content. I mean, and now it's not, this one video is not really that good, but if you can enjoy it for what it is, I'll be fine with that. It's not meant to be like my quality content, it's just an update video. So yeah, guys, alright, I'm gonna just sign off for today. Alright, bye.